Space is full of mysteries: planets, stars, black holes, and signals we can't explain. Some of these signals travel billions of light years to reach Earth, and when they do, scientists are left scratching their heads. We call them fast radio bursts, mysterious cosmic messages, or unexplained radio waves. They are real, powerful, and sometimes a little weird. Today, we're going into some of the most puzzling and mysterious radio waves ever recorded. We'll explore what makes them so strange, how scientists react when they detect them, and maybe even why the universe seems to enjoy messing with us. The most famous and studied of these mysterious signals are called fast radio bursts, FRBS. These are incredibly short, intense bursts of radio waves. They last only milliseconds, but in that tiny moment, they release more energy than the sun does in an entire day. To put it simply, if an FRB hit your toaster, it could toast all the bread in the world in a single second. That's how powerful these bursts are. The first FRB was discovered in 2007, and since then, astronomers have found hundreds more. Some occur only once and then disappear forever. Others repeat, sometimes with a strange regularity. For example, FRB 180916.J0158 plus 65, a repeating FRB, pulses every 16.35 days. Scientists can predict when it will happen, but they still have no clue why it repeats so precisely. Imagine getting a text from a friend every 16 days at exactly 2:43 p.m., but the text just says random numbers. Confusing, right? That's basically what this cosmic burst feels like. Then there's FRB 121102, one of the most mysterious repeaters. It comes from a tiny dwarf galaxy over 3 billion light years away. Astronomers have monitored it for years, but despite hundreds of bursts, its exact origin remains unknown. Could it be magnetars, highly magnetized neutron stars, or maybe something even stranger? Some scientists jokingly suggest alien civilizations sending us messages. If it is aliens, they definitely need to update their communication app because humans are still trying to figure it out. Speaking of magnetars, they are a likely candidate for many of these bursts. Magnetars are a type of neutron star with extremely strong magnetic fields. In 2020, scientists observed a fast radio burst from within our own galaxy, traced directly to a magnetar called SGR 1935 plus 2154. This FRB was unusual because it also produced X-rays, something rarely seen in these bursts. Even though we now know magnetars can cause FRBS, scientists are still baffled by the exact mechanism. It's like having a blender with a cosmic energy button. We know it works, but we don't fully understand how. Some bursts are truly one of a kind. For instance, the Lorimer Burst, discovered in 2007, lasted only 5 milliseconds, but released energy equivalent to hundreds of millions of suns. Imagine a single blink generating more energy than all of humanity has ever produced. That's not just impressive, it's terrifying. And despite its power, the Lorimer Burst was never repeated in the same location, leaving astronomers with only questions and theories. There are also patterns within these signals that make scientists scratch their heads. Some fast radio bursts repeat at very specific intervals, while others appear completely random. Some come from star-forming regions, others from quiet areas with few stars. And then there's the fact that some bursts come from relatively nearby galaxies, while others are from the farthest reaches of the universe. It's as if the universe is experimenting with every possible way to confuse us and succeeding. Now, while some bursts may be caused by natural phenomena like magnetars, supernovae, or colliding neutron stars, there are a few signals that don't quite fit any explanation. They have unusual frequencies, odd patterns, or come from unexpected locations. When scientists detect these, labs go into full investigation mode. They triple-check instruments, eliminate interference, and sometimes even wonder if they accidentally captured a radio broadcast from someone's ham radio on Earth. But more often than not, the signals remain unexplained. One particularly intriguing point is that these signals are not just scientific curiosities, they may also tell us something about the universe we don't yet understand. Every FRB carries information about the space it traveled through, including the density of matter and magnetic fields between galaxies. So even if we don't know what causes them, we can learn about the universe itself by studying them. It's like receiving a cryptic postcard from someone who refuses to sign their name, but you can still learn about the journey it took to reach you. The strangest part? Some FRBS repeat in a way that feels almost intentional. For example, a few have precise, predictable cycles. This has led to speculation about artificial origins. Could intelligent beings be sending signals to let us know they exist? Most scientists remain skeptical. After all, natural astrophysical processes can create incredibly complex patterns. But the idea is tantalizing. The universe might be trying to communicate with us, and we're just barely catching a glimpse of it. Even amateur astronomers have joined the search. With better technology becoming more affordable, hobbyists can now detect certain types of radio waves and report unusual signals. Occasionally, they spot bursts that professionals confirm, adding to the mystery. The universe seems to like keeping humans on our toes, reminding us that space is bigger, stranger, and funnier than we imagine. In the end, these unexplained radio waves remind us how little we truly know about the universe. They are flashes of energy, cosmic messages traveling billions of light years, sometimes predictable, sometimes chaotic, and always mysterious. They challenge our understanding of physics, magnetism, and even life itself. Some may have natural explanations, others may be something entirely new, and who knows, maybe a few are intentional messages from intelligent life far across the cosmos. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of surprises. From fast radio bursts to repeating cosmic pulses, these unexplained signals challenge everything we think we know about space. They remind us that even with our most advanced technology, the cosmos still has secrets it isn't ready to share, and maybe that's the beauty of it, knowing that somewhere out there, the universe is still whispering its secrets, and we're lucky enough to listen. If you enjoyed exploring these cosmic mysteries, hit the like button, subscribe to Waterlemon, and share this video with your friends who love space and the unexplained. Who knows, maybe the next signal we detect will be a message just for us.